Welcome back to the channel. This is Scott with Ucan Outdoors, and this week just showing you the progress that's been made over the past week with the van and getting the max fan in, cutting a hole in the roof, which was weird, cutting a hole in the roof of your vehicle, but I did it. It wasn't the best looking job, but the finished piece, of course, once you put everything together, it's all covered up. But got it done. Feel like there's not going to be any leaks. Everything is solid with it. We've had a lot of rain. I've been monitoring it. Nothing, no issues. Got the walls in, wall panels, and the insulation. I had to send the wall panels back because they were the wrong size, but got that done. Delayed a little bit, and then we've had this Texas storm come in the last couple of days. But I'm still going out on the 13th. I'm not near as far as I want to go. I am not going to be nearly where I wanted to be, but we will get there and just do it on the road. And I'll figure that out as we go. And so if this is your first time here, check out the platform, check out Instagram, Facebook, wherever other platforms you're on. We've got a large community, 1.6 million people. And please subscribe. Hit the like button, thumbs up, the bell, all that good stuff. I'm glad you're here, and I hope you'll stick with us. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And we'll talk to you guys next week.
Okay, so I got the walls in. Still have the roof to do tomorrow, but I have to cut out the fan and the light and just a couple of other little pieces. And I'll be good. I also have the wheel wells, which are also wheel well liners, but they're also have insulation too. And so does the walls. The wall panels also have an insulation value, R value of 5, plus with the insulation I've already put in. So anyways, update you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, hit the like button. See you next time.